Okay, so I stopped by to get water at a popular water company here in Portharcourt. If you're based in Portharcourt, it's at Fair Road, Royal Ball Base. That's the name of the company. But I have the opportunity to walk in there and see what they are doing. So let's do some small vlogging, prognosing, that kind of thing. You understand?
If I even first don't go there.
Where does that? Okay, thank you, sir. Where? Move inside. Where does sir? This is very technical. This one's our water dispenser.
You don't feel the water already?
See some water now.
No, you want to feel fresh water.
But I don't come with bottles though.
Don't worry.
Okay.
It's not like the blowing machine.
Yeah, anytime I'm telling you. That day I came now, they were blowing, but I did not come with my phone.
Okay.
To vlog. Remember that day now?
Can
you imagine? It looks like test tube.
You know see where they put here.
Okay, it's true. Yeah. So like this, so from like this it becomes, this is how it starts. So
then it will heat. After heating, they will not transfer it and put it here.
Okay, this is the mold.
Yeah, when they now put it on two, now blow and come
now
out like
can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? This thing you're seeing in my hand is what becomes this container. Wow. So here they've resized it already. Starting a water company is not easy because these machines, nobody needs to tell you that these machines are worth millions. There was a lady that I met the other day. She was telling me that she wanted to start a bottled water business now. That I told her I was going to link her up with your. When I told her that the money involved is not small though. Okay, here is another place. Okay, here are water dispensers as well. This one washing what? Okay, washing these bottles.
Yes, this one is for washing. This one is for drying. Then use this one to fill the water.
Okay.
These are the covers.
Everything is machine. Oh.
Yeah, everything is machine. You see.
Wow. This is my first time coming into a water company. Like, man, this is a privilege. I think if they were free, I'll come and do a proper vlog where they are walking. Yes. Yes, I will just come and do a proper. Okay, these are the tops. Okay, that top that we normally.
Yes.
Okay. And this one is the nylon. Okay, okay, I understand. To sealing. Okay, that's a sterilizing fluid. Wow. High technology and high.
And I go explain more.
What do you want to be explained?
These machines now, they said she was telling me that this one is for washing. Yeah. Then this one is for drying. Okay, you did that one. You made mistake. Okay, but you wash here properly. You throw it inside, just like washing machine.
Yeah, washing. Yeah.
Like just the way you throw clothes inside washing machine now to wash. Okay, inside. Wow. Let me brush it so. And so which means we're not drinking poison. I said we're not drinking dirty water. This one is confirmed. Okay, so you now put it inside, then it will be rolling.
Yeah.
So you need to take this cover out first. Wow. So you put water inside or something?
Water will come.
Yeah. For all these machines, without light, they can't function.
Yes. Water will come.
Nigeria, do we have the... Okay, wow. Okay. There's a pipe connection there to water. So what do you put inside the water? Just nothing? Or you put sterilizing? Okay, the water that washes it is actually treated water. Okay. Okay, this is the treatment plant.
No. This is just sterilizing
equipment.
Right.
But how often do you get light to work with light now? Or 247 people work with generator?
If there is never in the work,
So each time we bring bottle to refill, you will wash it first before you fill it up. Okay, it's every use. Yeah, okay. Wow. This is lovely.
that's your problem.
Well, sorry. Okay, so I'm out, and being the fact that I came to visit a water company, that kind of thing. So they gave me their bottled water. They deal on bottled water, they deal on pure water. I'm sure you saw it. And then they also deal on water dispenser. So this is where I come to buy my water dispenser. But today I had the honor, the privilege. I begged the manager for me to go in there with my camera. So I had some. Knowing the camera, knowing the manager privilege allowed me went into the factory with camera. Like, I have been drinking this water for more than 2 years now. In fact, I can't remember for how long. But honestly speaking, if the water was bad, I would have had. In fact, guess what? I even use it for my formulations. Yeah, for my cosmetic formulations. So, yeah, exactly. So if the water had issues, it would have manifested. Me, my kids, my husband, we've not had any issue at all. So this is it. So if you're based in Portharcourt, their main office is at St. John's Ogbogoro Road, Portharcourt, River State. And I'll drop everything in the description area. So, but I believe they go around now. They actually supply, because I saw they have trucks, they have cars. Let me see if I can show you from here. Because this is one of their trucks, their mobile trucks. They move anywhere. They even have bigger ones. If I even heard that they travel to other local governments, yeah, you see, yeah, so they move about. So guys, that's just it.